everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for Hip Kit Club featuring the November 2024 Hip Kits. I create my first layout with the gorgeous November kits, and I also use some of our exclusive metal dies, the November 2024 Winter Floral die set and the November 2024 Stitchable Window Envelope die set. First I cut out lots of flowers and leaves and branches using the Winter Floral die set. I cut them from the essential solid spruce, mistletoe, poinsettia, blush and bright cardstock, all included in the November Cardstock Kit. Here you can see all my die cuts, and now I can build my flowers. Cut the envelope from the poinsettia cardstock. In the next step, I cut out the stitchable frame. I secure the die with tape to keep it in place. can stitch along the pierced lines. Before I glue the envelope together, I add my photo. Then I use the other dies from the set and cut out a tag and small trees. I choose some stamps from the November Pocket Life stamp set, stamp on the tag and add some of the small trees and green twine. I can use the tag for journaling and tuck it behind the photo. Now I place the envelope on my page and add the die-cut branches, leaves and flowers. I adhere everything and then I add some chipboard die cuts from the chipboard die cuts pack, which is included in the November Embellishment Kit. I pierce holes and add some hand stitching. add more chipboard die cuts and some puffy stickers. The puffy stickers are also included in the November Embellishment Kit. I also add one of the stickers from the Cardstock stickers pack, which you can find in the November main kit. And I finish with some of the glittery star epoxy stickers, which are included in the November Embellishment Kit, and the Hollyberry Nouveau Jewel drops from the November Holiday Color Kit. Here you can see my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.